With some scrap HTV, a little heat, and these simple steps, you've transformed your shoes from basic to banging. Show off your finished shoes. In this video I will put my son's name on his gym shoes. What do you need? Some HTV, and hair straightener, butcher paper, and a design or name to cut. If you are using text with HTV, don't forget to mirror the text before cutting. When you choose an area to place the design, avoid areas with heavy stitching or texture. Cut your butcher paper to the right size and place it over your HTV design. Now put your hair straightener on the HTV and hold it for like 10 seconds. If it doesn't cover the whole design, move it and hold it for 10 seconds again. Carefully remove the transfer sheet and see if the HTV is pressed on good. Press again with the butcher paper for another 5 to 10 seconds and you are done. Now repeat the same process for the other shoe. Carefully remove the transfer sheet and see if the HTV is pressed on good. Press again with the butcher paper for another 5 to 10 seconds and you are done. Hit that subscribe button for more crafty customization tips and tricks. If you have any questions about using HTV on shoes, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for tuning in and happy crafting!